Hello friends, welcome to Computers Sidekick. In this video I will show you how to fix any boot problems in Windows 7 and above. Let's begin. In this video I cover problems related to file missing or corruption and blue screen. First, identify the problem. If there is BCD in the error, then your BCD is missing or corrupted. If it's not there, then your problem is related to Windows file. Download the software AOM Builder. This software is from well-known publisher. This software enables you to boot into computer and fix it. I have given the link of this software in the description below, or just Google it. You can turn on the caption if my voice is not clear. If you are online and have at least 300 megabytes of internet data, then I recommend you to enable this option to download WIMP from internet. Choose either 32-bit or 64-bit version. If you don't have internet just like me, it's fine, you can disable this and continue. Here are several tools you can add. I highly recommend you to leave the default option. You can disable the network as it is not required. Here you have to save this to a pen drive, USB, make sure the pen drive is empty as this process is going to format the pen drive. After completing the process, boot the computer which is not working using this pen drive. The process can take up to 10 minutes. Now, using this pen drive to boot the computer which is not working, you need to enter to boot option by pressing F12 key and select USB. This USB is the pen drive in which you have created WIMP. You need to press the key several times as soon as you turn on the power button. If F12 does not work, then try all other function keys from F1 to F12. Also try delete and escape key. It depends upon the computer manufacturer. For HP computers try F2, for Toshiba try F12, or you can just search the proper key in Google. After booting it, you can access your personal files. You can copy important files to a pen drive. If your computer has boot problem related to BCD, then download boot folder. This folder is available in my Google Drive, link is in the description. Copy this folder to the disk where your Windows is installed. Now perform system repair. If this repairing fails, then you can perform system repair from installation disk or after restarting. To file corruption, then open AOM partition. Just install all drivers. Choose the disk where your Windows is installed, right-click and select Check Partition. Also choose the hard drive and select Rebuild MRB, and select your Windows version. Apply all the changes and reboot. Your computer should start working. 90% of the people have success rate. There are several ways of repairing the computer. If this is not working, check out my other videos. If you face any problem, let me know in the comment. I would surely help you within 2 days. If you find my video helpful, like my video, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay tuned. Thank you.